You're right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the sun's setting and it's a really nice night, so I thought, why not come out and make a video? I never usually drive at this time, so it's nice to see the road so quiet for once. Finally on a 40 road. Let's get some speed going. You know, we got up to 40 miles an hour pretty quick there. And the Aygo is like a pretty slow car, right? But that felt pretty quick to me, so I don't even know how I'm going to cope when I get a quicker car than this. Yeah, it's a really nice night tonight. The weather's been pretty weird today again, so this morning it was absolutely freezing. Wait, I need to pay attention to this roundabout here. This is like a notorious roundabout around these parts. Yeah, and then as the day's gone on, it's just gotten like warmer and warmer. And then, as you'll probably know if you're in the UK, a heat wave's on the way, right? So it's about to be like 30 degrees at the start of next week, which I'm kind of looking forward to. Finally the start of summer, which is definitely my favorite season. If you're watching this right now, let me know, what's your favorite season? For me, like I said, it's definitely summer, especially in the UK as well, because for me, every season apart from summer is just too cold. Plus it's my birthday in summer, so that's something to look forward to. I'm definitely looking forward to a bit of summertime driving as well. I only just got my license in like February, so yeah. This Tesla behind me's got the brightest lights I think I've ever seen. I'm gonna head to the gym, so I'll see you once I'm done. You're right, everyone, so we're done at the gym. The sky's kind of like a weird colour right now. I don't know if the camera will be picking this up right. It's not like completely dark yet. I guess you'd call it dusk. Looks pretty cool though. Anyway, decent little session done there. Just a bit of shoulders today. And yeah, now we're gonna head back. I think I'll take a bit of a scenic route home. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy. So I was just reading my comments then when I got out of the gym and had a comment from one of you guys talking about the film Obsession. Has anyone else seen that film? I watched it the other day and it kind of blew my mind. Like, I replied to that comment, but I said it was like the most uncomfortable I've felt watching a film in a long time, which is a good thing when you talk about a horror film, right? But yeah, guys, let me know if you've seen that film and let me know what you thought of it. This has been a good month for films. And we've got the Backrooms film coming out next week. Is anyone gonna go and watch that? I think I'll go and watch it. Just out of curiosity. I wonder what story they could actually make about the Backrooms. That's got to be top 3 best feelings as a new driver. When you pull up to a roundabout and you can see that it's clear, so you can just go. You know, when I first passed, I did not like driving at night at all. But once you get used to it, it's actually like, I hate that I'm even gonna say this, but it's actually such a vibe. Like, we started to fog up a bit. Shout out to this comment here who told me what to do when my car starts fogging up. Until now, I've sort of just been spamming all the different options until something worked. But yeah, thanks to your comment, I now know the proper procedure. Look at that, we're clear already. But yeah, going back to what I was saying, like driving at night is actually so nice. First of all, in this car, when you put the main beam on, like the speedometer and everything like light up orange, and I kind of like that. It's like cozy, right? And also just because it's nice and quiet, like look at this road. There's literally no one here. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. So hope you've all enjoyed today. Hope you all enjoy the heat wave as well if you're in the UK. Let me know if you've got any plans for that. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.